Thank you for joining us in our segment, Having Coffee with the Yakima Health District. Today we have Gerardo Ramirez from Yakima Valley Farm Workers joining us to talk about immunizations. Thank you, Gerardo, for being here with us.
Thank you for having me.
And can you start off with sharing more about your role here at the clinic?
Yeah, I'm the Director of Infection Control and Clinical Quality Services. So we oversee the Infection Control Department, Employee Health Department, as well as laboratory services. So we oversee the immunization programs, bloodborne pathogens, and any other infection control pieces like personal protective equipment that might come up.
And it's important that you're here with us since you are known about all the different infection prevention, and immunizations is another big one too. As kids are getting back to go to school this fall and parents are getting them ready, why is it so important for them to stay up to date on those vaccinations?
It's really important that children are up to date on their recommended schedule, not just the required vaccines for school, but also any recommended vaccines to provide protection for any preventable illnesses that are out there.
Yes, and we do know that with fall season too, winter season, we get to see a lot of those respiratory illnesses that are circulating. So flu is another big one too, where vaccines are recommended for 6 months and older, correct?
That's correct.
Yeah, so lots of good preventative measures that individuals can take and parents can take for their kids now that they're going back to school. And as you guys see parents here at the clinic, what are some questions that they may have in regards to those vaccines?
Some of those questions and some of the reasons some may not get immunized is they believe that multiple immunizations during one visit might be either hurting them or causing more damage, when in fact the research shows that splitting vaccines is creating more fear. So getting all those immunizations done at the recommended schedule is the recommendation. Another thing that pops up sometimes is that families believe that some ingredients may be questionable within the vaccines. But again, research has showed that vaccines are safe, and definitely recommend everybody stay up to date.
Yes, so it is important, definitely for any questions that families may have, it's important to talk to their healthcare provider on those too. And then are there any other resources that you all have if families don't have any primary care provider or may not have insurance for their children to be vaccinated?
Yeah, so we never refuse anyone by their ability to pay. So we take all of the patients. Yakima Valley Farm Workers Clinic has a strong stance on that. We also have a Vaccines for Children program, adult vaccine program in both states, so we provide those immunizations free of cost.
Perfect. And we will be sharing more information on our screen here for more information on where people can go to get information on those resources. Thank you for being here with us.
Thank you.